I would definitely recommend Indo-German education.
You are from Chhattisgarh. We are located in Surat, Gujarat. Have you
Yeah.
ever visited my office once?
No, I don't have to
Okay.
do anything, and it's completely online, so
एंड आपको यहाँ पे रजिस्टर करने के बाद कितना पेपर वर्क खुद से करना पड़ा?
it's zero, nothing.
And to be one of the testimonial of Indo-German education, how does this journey feel?
It feels very good, and I'm really excited for what's coming next. And all the journey, it was very smooth. I have to do nothing, and it's
Then
really
and
yeah.
finally आप रेटिंग क्या देना चाहोगे? 10 at the highest and 0 at the lowest.
Of course, 10.
चलिए,
No
thank
question.
you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Big congratulations, Muskan ma'am, for your German student visa. Very big congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
So Muskan ma'am, you are going for your masters in Germany. So what made you choose Germany as your study abroad destination?
Firstly, it's a research-based universities and all the with practical hands-on experience. So it that is a perfect choice for me. As compared to US, the
Okay.
prices are very high. It is a bit affordable, and the
Okay.
education is good.
And when did you decided that आपको Germany ही जाना है?
Um, Back in 2022, when I was about to graduate, so then I
Okay.
decided to work for 2 years to gain 2 years
Hmm.
work experience, and then I was about to apply to Germany
Hmm. ठीक है. Hmm. बाद में जो. And also, how did you came to know about me, Indo-German education?
with the YouTube. I
Okay.
was
So
watching all the YouTube videos and I saw your videos, and then I went through all your videos and through your channel, and I decided to contact you.
okay. So how does this journey feels? Like being my subscriber of YouTube channel, watching our testimonials, and to be one of the testimonial of Indo-German education. How does this journey feel?
It feels very good, and I'm really excited for what's coming next. And all the journey, it was very smooth. I have to do nothing, and yeah.
And ma'am, how on from students and how difficult it looks because जब student खुद से application करने का सोच रहे होते हैं या जर्मन पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी में जाने का सोच रहे होते हैं तो तब क्या डिफिकल्ट लगता है प्रोसेस एंड जब आप एक्चुअली इंडो जर्मन एजुकेशन के थ्रू ये प्रोसेस कर रहे होते हो या व्हेन यू आर मूविंग थ्रू द प्रोसेस तब प्रोसेस आपको कैसा लग रहा होता है?
See, there's certain details about. See, you told me like about city registration and this registration. I didn't know about these details, so it really helped me to uh, pack up and
ऑर्गेनाइज.
organize all the documents accordingly before arriving in Germany.
Okay, got it. And did you ever thought that getting an admission in German public university will be easy? Yeah, getting the German student visa without doing any paperwork will be easy.
No, I thought it was a bit difficult, but I didn't feel anything. I
Okay.
didn't have to do anything.
एंड आपको यहाँ पे रजिस्टर करने के बाद कितना पेपर वर्क खुद से करना पड़ा?
Zero, nothing. I just have to courier one, two documents, and that is fine.
एंड where do you belong from? आप कहाँ से हो?
I'm from Chhattisgarh.
You are from Chhattisgarh. We are located in Surat, Gujarat. Have you
Yeah.
ever visited my office once?
No,
आपने
it's
कभी भी
completely
मेरा
online.
ऑफिस
Yeah.
completely online. So any student who wants to move to German public university and all over India से वो जर्मनी जाना चाहते हैं तो आप उनको क्या कहना चाहोगे फाइनली?
I would definitely recommend Indo-German education, and yeah, it was very good. I don't have to do anything, and it's completely online, so it's really
एंड
yeah.
फाइनली आप रेटिंग क्या देना चाहोगे? 10 at the highest and 0 at the lowest.
Of course 10.
चलिए,
No
थैंक
question.
यू. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच
you.
फॉर दिस रिव्यू. डन. मैंने सारी डिटेल्स आपको ग्रुप में भेजी है. आप एक बार
Sure,
वो
thank you.
चेकआउट कर लीजिए एंड एनीथिंग if you face any of the difficulty we will be in touch. And of course, when we will be visiting Stuttgart in future, the campus tour is on you.
Okay, sure.
Okay? Done? Bye bye. All the best for this new journey.
Thank you.
Bye bye.